Question number 11. Now we will do question number 11. AB equals to DE and AB parallel to DE. This is a figure, and in this you will mention the things which are given. You can put a mark over here. AB equals to DE. And the second thing, BC equals to EF and BC parallel to EF. आप इसको भी बेटा mark कर देंगे. Two symbols you will put here showing that BC equals to EF. Now, what we have to do in this question? In this question, first of all, we have to show that ABED is a parallelogram, then ACFD, and then BEFC. All these three parallel, we have to prove that all these three quadrilaterals are parallelograms. So we will solve these one by one. Okay, come in first part. Quadrilateral ABED. You can clearly see that AB equals to DE and AB parallel to DE is given. If one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal, then that quadrilateral will become a parallelogram. So you need not to write anything extra from this. You will just write since AB equals to DE and AB parallel to DE. And reason over here you will write given. So this implies ABED is a parallelogram. And you can write the reason in the bracket. Opposite sides of one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal. Only one pair we have to prove. अगर हम दोनों things ले रहे हैं बेटा parallel and equal, only one pair is enough. If you are taking only one equal or पैरेलल देन यू हैव टू शो बोथ द पेयर्स. बट अगर दोनों ही चीज़ें आप शो कर रहे हैं तो नीड नहीं होगी आपको. फॉर सेकेंड पार्ट बी सी इक्वल्स टू ई एफ एंड बी सी पैरेलल टू ई एफ. बोथ द साइड्स आर द अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द of quadrilateral BCFE. So you will just write here BC equals to EF and BC parallel to EF given. This implies BCFE is a parallelogram, and the same reason you will write here opposite sides are equal and parallel. So we have done the second part. Now move to the third part, quadrilateral ACFD. Sorry, AD parallel to CF and AD equals to CF. We have to show firstly this thing. So you can see better from first these two parts we will move to the third part. So from first ABED से आप find out करेंगे बेटा. ABED is a parallelogram है आपके पास. So AD is parallel to which one side? AD is parallel to BE and AD is equal to BE. आप इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे बेटा. AD is equal to BE and AD is parallel to BE. Okay. Now from second you can write down. From second you can easily see that beta BEFC. Which side? BE is parallel to CF and BE is equal to CF. So you will write here BE equals to CF and BE parallel to CF. Now you can compare these two equations. AD जो है बेटा that is equal to BE and BE is equal to CF. So from here you can write that AD equals to CF. B की E को आप omit कर देंगे यहाँ से. So from equation first and equation second you can easily write from here AD equals to CF and AD parallel to CF. This was our third part. You have to write here AD parallel to CF also. Because you can see that AD equal to BE था बेटा और BE equals to CF था, तो AD और CF आपस में equal हो जाएंगे और same यही condition parallel पे भी लग जाएगी. So you will write here AD parallel to CF. Now for fourth part. This is completely dependent on part third. On part third we have proved that AD parallel to CF and AD equals to CF. So only this thing we have to mention it again for showing this ACFD is a parallelogram. So for the fourth part you will just write AD equals to CF and AD parallel to CF. You can write from third part AD equals to CF and AD parallel to CF. So this implies quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. So fourth part we have proved. Reason आप फिर से वही डाल देंगे, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Now for fifth part, AC equals to DF. So you can see beta, these are the opposite sides of parallelogram ACFD. So you will write here for fifth part AC equals to DF and reason रहेगा आपके पास opposite sides of parallelogram. So here you will write AC and DF are opposite sides of this parallelogram ACFD. Hence and opposite sides आपके पास parallelogram की equal होती हैं. So that's why you can write here AC equals to DF. After that, in part 6, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So what you will do from here, find the three equal things. Very easy. From the figure you can easily see that AB equals to DE, it is given, BC equals to EF, it is also given, and AC equals to DF we have proved in fifth part. So you will just mention all these three things. So write down for the proof. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB equals to DE, BC equals to EF and AC equals to DF. Here you will write the reason also. So for first two you can write given and third one proved in part fifth or from fifth part. You can mention this thing. So by SSS both the triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, and this we have to prove, hence proved.